New tornado warning just got issued.
7 miles west of downtown Whiskey State Park is where
the National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Haskell County in southeast Oklahoma, northeastern Latimer County in southeast Oklahoma, central Floyd County in southeast Oklahoma until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes anywhere along a line extending from Fatshop to 5 miles southwest of Lake Whistler State Park and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is radar indicated pressure.
That's the text. They're in Haskell and Latimer than the floor.
Dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Lake Whistler State Park and Worcester. Take cover now.
Sweet buttery Jesus.
Such as a safe room or storm cellar if available. Otherwise, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If seeking shelter in a basement, be sure to get beneath.
I gotta see how many tornado reports we've had. About 16. And it's a moderate risk day also. Whenever they go to that 4th level nowadays, this is what turns out. And they're talking about issuing a new watch downstream in Arkansas and North Louisiana at a squall line.
Capable of producing a tornado was located near Muse and moving northeast